Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this app has been blocked for your protection on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So this works for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's get started and see how you can fix it. So the first thing to do is go to Start and type in regedit like this and click on this Registry editor. Click here on yes. And after that we click on HK local machine. Then we click here on software. And then we have to find Microsoft here. Windows, we have to find Windows. Windows, there we go. We expand it and we go to current version. And then we have to find policies. Here we go. Expand this. And then we click on system. And here enable LUA. Double click on it and here make sure it is 0. And click OK. Just let it hexadecimal. Click OK, and that's pretty much it. Now double click on it again to make sure it's 0. Click OK. And after this you can close the registry editor and restart your PC and it should be working fine. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Subscribe for more videos like this.